Wolves.
Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hello, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thanks, Pocky. What's inside? Oh, it's a sticker. It's Hello Kitty. Well, I drew this rainbow so that we can have Hello Kitty stickers on it. So let's put Hello Kitty right here. Perfect. All right, let's look at our Cool Animals sticker activity book that's from National Geographic. And today we're going to talk about wolves. Wolves are great hunters. Okay, so we are going to follow the lines. We have 3 different wolves that we can follow the lines from to see who found the deer. Okay, so we have these 3 different colors. So the first one will have it be this red color. Okay? Okay, so let's follow this line and see where it leads. Oh, it leads to nowhere. So this guy did not get it. Okay, so now let's try this green one. And we'll follow this line. We'll make a loop. And oh, nope. That led nowhere. So this guy did not get it. Okay, so now let's try, whoops, I already did that color. Now let's try this guy right here. Follow the line. Yep, it led right to the deer, the fallow deer. Right, so it looks like this guy was the one who found the deer. Sticker the wolves coming out to play. All right, oh, they're little baby wolves. That's so cute. Look at them. Oh. They're with their mama in their little house, in their little den. Sticker more wolf tracks. Okay, we'll sticker more wolf tracks. Let's see here. There's some tracks, and there's a little baby track. That's the only little baby track we have. Put one right there, and one right there. See, it's right there. Cool. So we have some more wolf tracks going all different directions. Okay, now what do we have on this page? Oh, use the grid to draw a wolf. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? That's too thin. Alright. Nope, that was too big. Alright, we'll try this one. So let's see if we can draw this wolf. Okay. That wasn't very good. That's okay. It's my first time drawing a wolf. All right, so doesn't look exactly the same, but pretty close. All right, now we're going to finish the dot to dot and then add color. So we're going to start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Let's add some color to it. So it looks like wolves are a little bit more gray. We'll use silver. Have a little bit of brown in them, just here and there. There, that's kind of like a wolf. Wolves can find each other across long distances by howling. I have a couple pictures of howling wolves. It looks like it's kind of more white, more silver. And then here's another picture of a howling wolf. It's like singing to each other. Wolves live in groups called packs. Here are a bunch of gray wolves. Oh, there are different types of wolves that they talk about. Oh, they just talk about gray wolves. Okay, so now I'm going to put a couple more wolf tracks on here. And now we've learned a lot of things about wolves and how interesting they are.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.